So guys, in part 2 session also I have explained the mm, validation. Part 2 session I have also explained the more on validation, regular expression and this kind. Again I have recapped these things. Okay, so here two ways to validate the email. This is our earlier code. In that, validate email. Okay, so this is one method to validate using the regular expression, and this is traditional old way, which is through the only plain JavaScript. Okay, now I just write one email ID here, say ram, sorry, I put it in a different character, all characters in a different places, ram uh, at the rate gmail. I separate the characters, okay, for your understanding. Okay, so ram at the rate gmail.com. Okay, so this, okay, this is the string. Okay, and I have separated all the values, so you know the index position 0, 1, 2, 3, sorry, 3. Okay, and I just straight it just like Z. Okay, so this is the index position of all the characters here. Now let me see the middle. Okay, and bold. Okay, so here this is the index position of this email ID. So in traditional way, sorry, in earlier way, old way, what happened, we take the email document, means entire HTML document in form, then email name and value. Okay, then it's saying at position. At position means at the rate. What is the position of at the rate? So this is my at the rate position. So at the rate position is at a third position. Okay, and now again I said dot position. Dot, what is the dot position? Dot position is at 9. Okay, so dot position is at a 9. I've entered all the positions, both the positions here, third and 9 here. Now what happened? Now I just extract the position. You know that X is a string. From where we extracted? From email. We have email here. Okay, email. Here input name email, and this is my form. Okay, my form document entire HTML. In that there is my form dot email name and that value, means it extract the email value, and I say what is the at position. At position is here. At position is at the third position, and the last index of dot, and dot position is at 9. So here they use the word last index of, means from this side. Okay, last index means we count from this side, 0, 1, 2, and this is also third position. Okay, so this is also third position. So how they validate the thing? Okay, at position less than 1, at position, this is our at position, less than 1, no, means this is the false. This is the, this statement, this first condition is our false. Then after that what happened? Dot position is less than at position plus 2. Okay, at position plus 2. At position plus 2, how many will be there? Dot position is dot position 3 and 3, and at position is, sorry, dot position is also 3, 3, and at position is 3, 3 plus 2 is here, means it is less than, yes, it's a less than, means dot position is less than at position. Okay, after that what is saying? Dot position. Dot position means 3 plus 2 is 5, and x dot length, so entire length of the string is 12. Okay, okay, so is greater than or equal to, no, this one also false. Okay, so this condition is also false. This is a this condition is also is true, and this condition is false. You can see this condition is a dot position is greater than. Okay, this condition is also false, and dot position is a 3, at position plus this condition is true. Okay, so it enter here and saying email ID please enter valid email address, add position and dot position and return false. So in this case, so I'm just a bit confused about last index of, let me alert this last index, alert alert dot position. Okay, dot position, and I save this, I remove these things, otherwise error will be there. I just extract the dot position and I call this validate old here. Okay, on the button. Okay, I call it here. From where this validate call, when we submit the form, when we submit, they need to call this. Yesterday we have discussed on that. Okay, so I go on front page here and refresh and submit. Okay, sorry, no validation, no alert. Okay, alert dot position, which needs to call the validate email old here and enter something in email. Sorry, what email ID I use here? ram@gmail.com. ram@gmail.com. Okay, and I say, oh, it's not calling anything. Just a minute. Return false. So it returned the false here. Let me comment out one section here. Just a moment. Save this. Refresh it. Directly redirecting. Somewhere it is getting true directly. Let me check. Function is getting call or not. First check that. Old validate I say. Okay, and I save it and submit. Okay, means it's getting call here, it come here, then it's not displaying this alert dot position. Why there is a no alert dot position, last index of dot? Why this alert dot? Okay, it's correct, but why this is not getting call? Document dot myform dot email. Okay, what issue is there? You can see here E and em is capital, and what I have written here small email. Okay, I just make it email. Okay, now I copy it, old validate, oh, save, refresh, old validate, oh, let me document dot my form, let me check my form, f is capital, this silly mistakes I'm doing here. Okay, okay, 10th position. Okay, but I have entered wrong here, Gmail. Okay, check the position. So 9th position. So which position is dot, last index of a dot? Last index of a dot is 9. 1 2 3 4 5, sorry, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. This is a 9 position. Okay, and what it's saying, last index of dot. Oh, last index, what it mean by last index? You see, if I again write something, now it will take this dot, 9 8 11 12 13. Okay, now see, 13 is there, means last index means at the, means at the end, means the which one is the last dot position, which is at the 13. Okay, and it display me the position of the last. Okay, so like this way we do the validation, but this kind of validations, so what I'm saying, this kind of validations, if I enter here now, just I'll show you, I enter a wrong thing here. See here, please enter valid email address. Now this email address is invalid. How it track? It take the position based on the position. So at position here from this Excel we understand. Sorry, this last position is wrong. I have entered this, but the last position is also 9 here. Okay, so I thought last means from backend, but it's not the case. Here last position is a 9 and here 9. Okay, so here at position is a 3, then dot position 3, then 5, then 5, sorry, dot position, sorry, dot position is a 9. Okay, now here dot position is 9 and length is total length is 12. Okay, so see there, this condition less than 3 false, this condition less than false, this condition greater than or equal to false, means all three conditions are false. That's why this message will not be there, because this is a wrong email id. Okay, if I enter something like this, I'll say T. Okay, now in this there is a no dot, so there is a no dot means nothing, there is a blank. Okay, so dot position is not there, means a condition will get false and it will enter inside. Okay, if I enter the email id, uh, so like this way to implement, to give this logic, we check that is there any issue or not. Okay, so what I do, I will enter my email id is like this. This is the correct email id. Yeah? This is ram patil @.com. Okay, so here let me check. Okay, it's also validated the correctly. If I write, I'm just checking. Yeah, and again I put @ here, and this is a wrong email id, but still it's validating, means our validation is fail here, because there are 2 times @ but still it's a validating. Right, so we need to again check the one more condition we need to apply, how many times @ appearing here. Okay, again or condition, or okay, or condition, how many times @ in this string. So what is the function, what is the string function which will extract me the appearance of a character. Okay, how many times character will appear. So is there any function which gives me the how many times? This is string methods, all the string methods are substring is there. So substring, it extract the string at index position 7 to 6, after that 6 character. No, I want search is there. How many times that string appear? Replace Microsoft go to lowercase, concatenate trim string character at method, return h, which character code, method returns the unique code, also property access. Okay, converting string, there are many methods are there. So I just check on a Google what is my condition I want to, check how many times that character is appearing here. JavaScript check character count in string. Okay, JavaScript string length property, JavaScript later count within a string. How to count the character of string in the JavaScript. Character count. How to count a character as a string, or number of occurrence of a character in a string, which is, yeah, this is the thing. Okay, here I need the count of a number to occurs in a character of a I need to count the number of occurrence of a character in the string. For example, suppose my string contain these things. So he wants to check how many times comma appear. So here match string dot length. Just a minute, I'm just logs. Is correct. Let me check. Split main string split comma dot length. I'm just checking is there any method or not. So on Google there are different functions are there. I take any one of them and work out on that, but I'm checking is there any more simple way. JavaScript specific character. Okay, now here just checking that. Same link is there, so I will check this and take any one of them. Match comma g length. Okay, I just take this. Okay, so I copy this, go here, take it here. Console dot string match. Now I know my string is here. My string is at the rate. Okay, Control Z. I put at the rate here. Okay, match g length. Okay, and here. Sorry, I remove this. Okay, I did wrong thing. Actually, this is a regular expression. We discuss on regular expression again. Just a moment. Try to get the output first, and then we'll discuss on that. At position, uh, say x. My string is x here. Okay. So what I do here. Okay. Where at count. Okay. Here, what I'm doing, I'm extracting how many times at is appearing in my string. Okay, so I remove other validation related things. Okay, and I say alert at count. Okay, I just check that at count is appear properly or not in this, or I'll say here at count equal to 1, right? At count always equal to 1 means it should not be 0 or it should not be 1. Okay, so this is the one condition we have added here. Here now we'll see, refresh it, and I just press it here 0. See, at count is 0 barabar means at count is 0. So now I write here something at and something dot something. Okay, now here 0 2. See, 2 times at count is there. Okay, 2 times at count is there. So 2 times at count is there means this email ID is a means what I need to do. What I do here, at count equal to 1 is my condition, and I just say here, you see when it enter inside, when if at count is not equal to 1. Okay, see, not equal to 1, this condition I am applying here. Okay, see here the output. If here I say something. Okay, now here see 2 times and error message there. Now it's validated that this at the rate is double, that's why it's a wrong email ID. I remove this, now it's execute properly. no error message, means it's a correct working now. Okay, so like this way we just check. So here also you can see match. X means this is my string value. Match, see, forward slash at the rate, G means global, or in array dot length. Okay, so what is this written here? What is this written here? This is called a regular expression, which is called as a regular expression. Here also you can see this is a regular expression. So what it mean by the regular expression? Okay, what it mean by the, I just copy this regular expression. Regular expression, check that this is a syntax. This is the syntax of a regular expression. If I take this regular expression, so in this string is match with this regular expression, which is matching with this regular expression. The meaning of regular expression means that, consider for phone number validation, the 10-digit validation should be there. Okay, you are getting my point. If you say zip code validation, 5-digit number should be there, right? Or any different kind of validation, we define particular structural syntax. Okay, we define a particular structural syntax like this or like this. Okay, so what I do, I just show you what is the regular expression. Now this is our traditional kind of validation, means using the JavaScript. Now how we can implement the validation using the regular expression. Validation using the regular expression. Regular expression, to validate anything, regular expressions are very important. Regular expressions are very important. So what is the regular expression? Means, see, the regular expression means this is a certain set or structure of the, so email ID having particular, having define the structure. Consider your name, your first name, then your father name, and then your surname, or your surname, then your father, your name, and your father's name. So this is a structural syntax. Okay, so if you write something wrong in that, it will use the error message. Phone number, this is a 10-digit number only. If you write some character, then it will give you the error message. So to define that structure, regular expression is there. Okay, regular expression is there. So I'll show you the regular expression. We'll look into the regular expression. What is the regular expression? Okay, JavaScript regular expression. And JavaScript support this regular. And one thing you need to keep in mind, that regular expression, which is having huge scope, means its scope is very broad. Okay, if you go in you want to learn only regular expression, see regular expression, this is the regular expression, how many methods are there associated to regular expression. Okay, so these many, and there are n number of, means regular. If you go here now, only say the regular expression, which one is a separate programming skill. See, this is regular expressions, it having separate technology. I can directly, in short, I say it's a separate technology, and it's a huge and broad scope. So what we required, okay, what we required in a regular expression, consider this is the regular expression. Okay, in this regular expression, this is my function, and here pattern. The role of regular expression is to just define the pattern. Okay, just define the pattern, means something needs to be in this pattern. Something means, if I say email ID, it's need to be in that pattern only, it should not go out of. But what is that pattern? That pattern is defined in a regular expression. You can see here, pattern w3 school forward slash I. So what the meaning of this forward slash I here, and what is the meaning of forward slash? Okay, so here if I say try so w3 school, so what here, so here I just search where the w3 schools appear here. Okay, how So without, this is a forward slash I means without case sensitive. If I remove this I, we'll see how, what is the output. It's not displaying me output. Means this, if I say capital yes, capital A, see. Now it's displaying. Means if I put here I, what it's saying, don't check the case sensitivity. Means if whether this W capital or this W is small. Okay, don't check that. Okay, if I make it small, and now it will display with output. Okay, because what it's saying, don't check the case sensitive, but that's why it's a, if I put here G means global search. Now it's also case sensitive. See here, means if again WC school is there, see, so what it doing, it just check that how many times WC school is there, just displayed here. This is the, with a comma separated, this is a role of global, it's saying as global. So we'll see what is the see, I, a regular expression is a regular expression, W3 school is a pattern, means it check that something needs to be in this pattern only. I is modifier such the case insensitive. Okay, so there are different kind of modifiers are there. Global match, then perform case insensitive, perform multi-line matching, means if there is a multi-line string is there, they need to check the multi-line matching also. So this is the way, there are different meaning of each matching character. Find the word character, find non-word character here, which we have used here. Here G we have used, here G we have used, and we count the length. Okay, so here G means is G here. See, perform a global match, means in entire string how many times it happens. So like this way, but one thing you need to keep in mind that while working with the regular expression, no need to worry, means you will think that how we can write this kind of a big regular expression. Okay, no need to worry, all the solutions are available online, all the regular expressions are already built and ready for you. Okay, no need to worry how I can write the regular. If any custom thing is there, or but generally, or whatever the regular expression you require, you will get it online. Okay, so what I do now, there is another way to validate using the regular expression. So how we can validate using the regular expression, let's see. Okay, now earlier we validate old way. Okay, now this is a regular expression way. You can see old way, I need to write this much long condition here, but here I just write the one line. I define this pattern. It is called, this is the first we define the pattern. Okay, first we define, means what I'm saying, email ID pattern needs to be like this. Okay, email ID pattern needs to be like this. So don't go in more deep. So from where I will get this email ID, and here I just say document.mail email value match. See, and what I'm doing here, I just extract this and I say where email ID, where email string. Okay, or str, and I will here display it here. Okay, so you know the meaning of this. Okay, and I put this control Z, control Z, control V. Okay, now here, now define the pattern, means whatever the string, it should be aligned with this pattern. Okay, this is a email ID pattern. Okay, now this is for email ID pattern. Now how I get this regular expression, just go online and say expression for email. Okay, for email, see, you will get a 100 of regular expression for email validation. You can see you will get the regular expression, what kind of invalid emails, these are the all the invalid emails. It gives us the invalid emails, list of the invalid emails here. Means through this regular expression this kind of, these are the valid email and these all are the invalid emails can be validated here. Okay, so what I did, i just I just extracted these things. This is called regular expression. Whatever you can see like this, you will say ki, what is this? Don't worry about it and don't you spend to explore and gain more. If you start exploring this, there is a one separate subject in engineering which is called software engineering. I think Tom is the subject. Theory of computation subject is there. In that there are regular expressions are there, Turing machine are there. That's why I'm saying it's a separate language. Okay, don't go in more deep. Okay, only for validation, you think that I need to learn regular expression. Then you need to spend 1.5 month time. Okay, it's a better to use whatever the existing regular expression. Okay, so what I suggest you guys, here is the regular expression. I just copy this. If you don't want, there are another regular expressions are also there. Okay, there are many regular expressions are there. Email validation regular expression, email pattern property, JavaScript validate email address using regex. Just a minute. I just checking. See, here another regular expression. This is up to this. Different kinds of regular expressions are there, but I just take this regular expression. Okay, I copy this regular expression, and what I'm doing now, see, this is a mail format, or I can say mail pattern. Okay, mail pattern. Now I say match, control C and control V here. Okay, so here, email string, this is my email string dot match with this pattern. Is this email string match with this pattern, it will return yes or no. It will return the output yes or no. If, now see, if it say what this pattern extract wrong email id, wrong email id means it will return the false. If it will return the false, but if it return the false, then I want to enter in this, because I need to give the message to the user, then I need to go into the condition. Okay, so see, now what I'm doing, I just copy this and say alert here, alert. Sorry. Oh, just a moment guys. Okay, alert email string match. Okay, and I close this and validate email, I just paste it here. Okay, I paste it here and save this. Now you can see here, don't think about this. Okay, someone saying something, sir, I want to know how to learn certain complex code is by memorizing them or continuous practicing or repetition of such codes. Please, I need strategy in learn certain complex coding rules. So to learn the complex coding, you need to go with the basic only. You need to understand the basic. Okay, so we are doing the basic only. You need to understand the basic. So here this is our pattern. Okay, gradually we will go into the complex coding. Okay, gradually. Earlier we are not doing, earlier we just playing in HTML and CSS. Now we are playing in something different. Okay, so gradually it's step by step it will move into the complicated coding. Okay, don't be hurry, first understand the basic. Okay, now here mail pattern, I just check that what is the mail pattern. I validate email, I call this function here at the top, validate. When this validate is on submit, this validate call, then it jump to this function. Where is my function? Validate email. Then I define the pattern and return this. Okay, I say alert. So I save it and refresh it here, and I will enter something here wrong. How wrong? I just put here double dot also. Submit. Null page. This page says null. null. Okay, null. It's showing me null output here. Before that, I check that what is the outcome from this email string. So yeah, how we can check that. Always put the sorry, something running wrong. I know this session is going long, so please bear with me. Validate email. I have call on submit validate email. Then here validate email using here string value at see alert is wrong. Uh, Wrong email ID now. See, enter now null. It's in this page says null. So mail pattern match email string match. It giving me output null alert match mail pattern and it gives output null. Why null? Okay, just a moment. I will check here. Wrong email. Okay, so keep the alert to each stage for better understanding. Null, wrong email. Okay, now just a minute. I will go here and put the correct email ID. Okay, it's not giving us me the message. Means it's working. Validations are working here. But when I say match, then it gives me the output null. Okay, it gives me the output null. But here it needs to give me the output match pattern, match pattern, mail pattern, email string dot match, and here mm, here it retrieve proper. Again, I check that I enter the wrong email ID again. Wrong email. Now it's working. Wrong email. If I give the correct email, now it's working fine. If I add the space, email ID should not contain any space. Wrong email. See here, wrong email. So it's working fine. It's working fine. Okay, it's working fine as per our expectation. Here I'm just why it's showing me alert in with a null. It should show the true or false. Okay, but it's showing null. Okay, but in this pattern it's return the correct. Okay, what are you doing? I just put the breakpoint here and I go here and I stop. Okay, I put a breakpoint there, so I refresh and I put here at the right wrong here. So breakpoint hit. I'll show you what outcome is there. See, email string is a ram, then it's a match, and this is a mail pattern. This is a email pattern. Now I will select this and go to the reference. Okay, see, email of undefined cannot read the property email. So here I have written the email property. Email cannot read the property email of undefined. Just a minute. There is some debug console error alert is not defined. Okay. Oh, so this is old debugging messages are there because here it is alert. Okay. So this is old. I just go and press F11 Now go here, null is displaying here, again it hit here, but I need to check the output. See guys, here I just want to show you, actually I just want to highlight you what is the outcome of this. The outcome of this is false. Outcome of this false because it is not the correct email format, and I make it a true to enter in this so that we'll get the message there. Okay, so means this message is saying wrong email, means based on that we return the value here. Based on that we'll return the value. So we can put our validation, same kind of validation, or uh, where we have added the email validation. See, validate email condition, validate email. See here, validate email. I do here validate email or condition here. What I did, or condition here. Okay, so I remove this remaining alerts here for your understanding. Now see, and I will share this code with you. Yeah, now I have entered something wrong. Okay, and chip code is there, and if I say submit, nothing is happening. F12. Oh, sorry, the debug is there. It hit the debug pointer. Again it's jump up. Again it come down, come down. See, again it check that this condition is equal to true. Means it's a false because it's not blank. Again it's go call this validate email. I have added it in or condition, or if or, and here it will go and it will return the true, and again it display our message. You can see the message will appear here. You can see enter valid email. It's working fine now. Now what I do, I will execute. I remove this debug pointer, save this, and I refresh it. I'll show you. Okay, at the rate. Now if you submit, it say enter valid email. If I remove this, still invalid email. See .com. Now it's remove the now it's correct. There is a no. Yes, but we need to remove this. So how we will remove? Here earlier I was commented. Okay, now see, I'll share this code quickly in YouTube video. I'll add in description this code. Okay, this is correct email ID now, no error message. If I put here double dot, it should be give me error, enter valid email address. Okay, now this is called proper validation using the regular expression. So we stop here. So I would like to give you assignment. Yesterday I have given you the assignment of the table. uh, Once we click on submit, after validation complete, you need to say submit. Then after submitting, it needs to generate the table below here. Okay, so you start working on it. Okay, here table needs to be appear here. Okay, in this, when you submit, all the data needs to be appear here. Okay, all the data, when I say submit, then data will added here. Okay, so here name, then email, okay, and zip, and then country, and here is the option to delete. Okay, if I click this delete, this row needs to be get deleted. This row needs to be get deleted. This is the assignment for now. This is a delete. Okay, once I click it delete. Once I click this delete this row. Okay, this additional column you need to add in your case. Okay, so we'll stop here.